Infinity RG, taking action to develop the students.
I am Sadia Islam Shana. I am a student. I am 10 years old. I live at Vidyanarpur in Sherpur. My father name is Shukul Islam. He is an army, and my mother name is Kajal Khan. She is a homemaker. I have one brother. My favorite hobby is drawing. I want to be a doctor in future. My parents love me too much. Everybody please pray for me, and this all. Bye.
Hello everybody, good evening. Nice to meet you. My name is Sanajan Chami. I am a student. I am 10 years old. I live at Vidyanarpur in Sherpur district. My father's name is Mohammed Shamil. He is a businessman, and my mother's name is Koinur. She is a homemaker. I have two brothers. My favorite hobby is drawing. My parents love me too much. I want to be a doctor in future. Everybody please pray for me, and that's all. Bye.